Okay, I welcome you to Kenya Con Mathematics Classroom. This is our questions for today. Now, the first question, we have to convert 243 base 5 to a number in base 10. Okay, so let's look at the first question. We have to convert 243 base 5 to a number in base 10. So what we do is we multiply each digit by the base. So 2 times 5, okay, plus 4 times 5 plus the last digit is 3, so 3 times 5. And when we are done, we raise the base to an exponent starting from 0 from the right to the left, meaning that here we have 0, here we have 1, and here we have 2. Now let's simplify. We have 2 times 5 squared is 25 plus 5 exponent 1 is 5 times 4. This will give us 20. Then 5 exponent 0 is 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Okay. So 2 times 25 is 50 plus 20 plus 3. And the answer will be 73. Don't forget, in base 10. Okay. And this is the same as 73. So when you write 73 without anything, it's in base 10. Are you getting that? So either you write it as 73 base 10 or 73. That's all. It's still in base 10. So if you have to convert a number in a particular base to base 10, that's what we do. We multiply the digit by the base. When we are done, then we raise the base to have an exponent starting from 0 from the right to the left. Okay. So when you simplify, you are getting that. Now let's look at how best we can solve the second question. The second question. Let's see how best we can solve the second question. Now, with the second question, we are asked to convert 423 base 5 to a number in base 8. So what we do is we have to first convert 423 base 5 to a number in base 10. When we are done with a number in base 10, then we convert it to base 8. That's what we do, okay? So we have 423 base 5. So this will be equal, we multiply the digit by the base. So we have 4 times 5 here, plus we have 2 times 5 here, plus we have 3 times 5 here. Then we give the base exponent starting from 0 from the right. 0, 1, 2, okay? And this will be equal to 4 times, we have 4 times 5 squared is 25, right? Plus 5 raised to the power 1 is 5 times 2 will give us 10. Plus 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. So in all, 4 times 25 will give us 100. Plus what do we have here? We have 10 here. Then what do we have here? Then we have 3 here. So we are going to have 113. Okay. So this is 113 base 10. Okay. Or you can leave it as 113. So now take note. When we are done with this, we are now going to convert this to a number in base 8. We are now going to convert this to a number in base 8. Let me get this off and let's see how best we can solve that problem, okay? Now we have this in base 10 and we have to convert to a number in base 8. So our base is here, okay? Our number is here and our remainder is here. The base is 8. The number is 113, okay? So you take note of that. It's very important. So 8 goes into 113, you have 14 times. The remainder is 1, okay? Then 8 also goes into this, you have 1. And the remainder, now if 8 goes in here 1, the remainder will be 6, okay? Now 8 cannot go in here again, so we are done with this. Then we start to pick it from here to the top. Take note of that. This is very important. So the number here is 1, the next number is 6, and the next number is 1. Are you getting that? Yes. So take note. This is very important. We have the base, we have the number, we have the remainder. So the base is 8. The number is 113. So 8 goes into this, we have 14 times. The remainder is 1. And 8 goes into 14 is only once, and the remainder is 6. We won't continue because 8 cannot go into 1 again. And so we start to pick the numbers from here. That is 161. Look at the order, 161. So it's now in base 8. Okay. is now in base 8. That means that 113 in base 10 is the same as 161 base 8. So we were given 423 base 5 to convert to a number in base 8. The first thing you need to do is to convert to base 10. How do you convert this number to base 10? You multiply the digit by the base. 4 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5. When you are done, you raise the base to an exponent starting from 0 from the right to the left. So you have 0, 1, 2 here. 4 times 5 squared is 25, okay? 2 times 5 raised to the power 1 is 10. Then 5 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 3 is 3. When we simplify this, we have 113 base 10 or 113. It's the same thing, right? Either you write the 10 or you don't write it. So the number without anything is in base 10. So now that we have 423 to be equals 113 base 10, we now convert to a number in base 8. That's what the question said. So we have our base, our number, remember the base is 8, the number is 113. So what do? 8 goes in here 14 times, the remainder is 1. Because 8 times 14 will give you 112, and the remainder will be 1. Then 8 goes into 14 only once, the remainder will be 6. But 8 cannot go in here, so you have to stop here and pick the number from here, 161. Take note, you pick it from here, not from the top, it's from the down, 161, okay? So we have 161 base 8. It means that 423 base 5 is equal to 423 base 5, okay? 423 base 5 is equal to 161 base 8. So that is all for now. If you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section. I will look at it and address you in my next tutorial. God bless you. Follow for more.